After many days, I'm going to our betel nut garden to see there that a worker is working to plant bitter gourd seeds. So on the way there, I found a goat is crying here for the help. So I must do it first. Oh my goodness, he's crying so bad. Almost here he's rescued. Maybe the Almighty sent me here to rescue him. The rope around his neck was tight. If there was none to rescue him, he may be certainly dead by now. There was a big cow whose rope were tied around the small goat there. And this is the ridge that divided the plots of land. And this is the plot of paddy field, and here this is the beans.